Hello everybody, so today we will be discussing binary heaps. What are they? A heap is most commonly a complete binary tree. They store nodes in ascending or descending order depending on if it's a min or a max heap. Um, Two main types of heaps, the min and the max. Min, as you can see, root node is the lowest value and it goes down to ascending order. And then max heap, max values at the root, and then we go through in descending order. There are two main types of functions for these types of heaps. There's insertion and deletion. With insertion, there are two factors to be considered when adding nodes. The shape of the tree, we want to keep it balanced. Whenever we're adding to the tree, we'll always want to add to the leftmost child of the leaf node first, and then we sort if we need to. In order to maintain the integrity of the heap, whether it be a min or a max, because nodes must always be lesser than or equal to or greater than or equal to their parent, and if not, we need to sort it. So when we're adding to the heap, like I said, we want to add to the leftmost node first, so this isn't a great example of these images, but let's just pretend that 100 isn't there and we're still adding this. We would add it to the 19 first, and then we would add it to the left side. If we had any more nodes, we would sort it like normal, but we'd add it to the left of the leaf nodes. And then if we had more, then we would add it to the right in order to keep the tree balanced and to maintain the integrity of it. If we get a value that is, so let's say that these are all full and it all works, and let's say we get a 4. We would have to add it here first. Obviously that doesn't maintain the integrity of the tree, so we would have to sort it, or percolate is the term, upwards, and we would compare it to each node, and then it would take the place of this 17 here. And that's how you add to the heap. As far as deletion goes, binary heaps, I forgot I had a GIF there. Binary heaps are designed to give access to the minimum or maximum value depending on the heap. So deletion would come from the top or the root. After deleting the root, you would replace it from the bottom value, which I missed here. Okay, so you would replace it from the bottom value, and then you would percolate down or resort your tree after you replace the root. And then that is how you would have your new tree, or your new heap rather. Just check my notes and make sure I didn't miss anything. No, I believe that's it. That's a very basic overview of binary heaps. Thoughts, questions, comments, or concerns? Let me know. Take care.